Avoiding the relocation nightmare. Hey, Jason Stretch here, the owner of Legendary Automotive. Finding a reliable automotive repair shop, whether you've permanently moved here to Florida or vacationing, finding a competent doctor, dentist, and an auto repair shop. If you have good friends who can provide you with reliable referrals, you may be all set. But if not, you'll have to do some serious research. There's 82,939 physicians licensed in the state of Florida. You have 14,000 eye doctors to choose from and 21,000 automotive repair shops to choose from. That's a daunting task, to say the least. I am definitely not qualified to help you with the doctor and the dentist. I can certainly assist you with the auto shop. I'm going to give you 5 steps to identifying a shop. Number 1, do your research. 70% of searching for shops is done online. Google will probably provide you a list of auto shops in your area. However, for each shop, have a look at their reviews. Avoid shops with less than like a 4.4 rating. I would suggest you also read the reviews closely with a rating of over 4.6. It'll give you a way better idea of what the customers are saying and what they really think of the place. Number 2, what kind of vehicles do they work on? Not all shops with great reviews work on your type of vehicle. So you'll need to find out whether or not they do. So check out their website to find out more. While you're on their website, see what you can find out about the shop itself. The site should have information about their team, the shop ownership and management, and what they do for the community. Number 3, schedule an appointment for a basic service such as an oil change. By scheduling an appointment for that basic service, the next thing you need to do is arrive at the shop. And when you do, how are you treated? Do they respect you as a human being or just someone else who happened to walk through the door? That's your first sign of a great or not so great shop. Ask to look at the credentials for the technicians, the guys working in the back of the shop on your vehicle. It should display a blue Automotive Service Excellence seal, and if you do see those, that's a good sign. There are different levels of certification, though ideally the shop should have 1 or 2 that say Master Certified. Are they inspecting your whole vehicle when you come in and making recommendations based on that inspection, or are they just simply making recommendations based on mileage? Are they letting you know what's needed with the vehicle right away, and also what's required in the future? How they regard your vehicle will indicate the level of service and, more importantly, their level of caring. Are they taking the time to truly explain things to you so that you understand, not just spewing out technical terms and not caring if you understand or not? How is the sales pressure? Are they pressuring you into purchasing certain services, or are they patiently explaining things and assisting you in making your own decisions? I mean, that's what we all want, right? And when they've finished, is the service, is the interior of the car clean? Did they appear to use seat covers and floor mats and not leave behind any handprints? Is the shop clean and organized while you're there, right? That shows a huge level of care and commitment to the customer. Everywhere, including the restroom, should be clean and spotless. The 4th point, do they provide a nationwide warranty? This is a super valuable benefit, especially if you're on vacation, a snowbird, or spend half your time somewhere else in the country. Once any type of repair work is completed, will the warranty cover it when you go home? If for some reason you have a problem with any repairs you've had done after you've left Florida, you should have a warranty that you can take anywhere in the country and take advantage of anywhere you go. And for number 5, do they follow up? Do they call you and get in communication with you a few days after service to see how everything went and to make sure everything's good? If all these 5 points have been well laid out and taken care of, and you had a great experience, make sure to take time to recommend shops to others and leave online reviews. Good automotive repair shops, like other businesses, are getting harder and harder to find. Share your success with others. If you like this blog, check out our other blogs on our website at legendaryfl.com. And as always, if you're looking for service that you can trust, please give us a call at Legendary Automotive. Thank you very much.